For the past 5 years, Dani Villafana has been at the forefront of a painful and public cause. At 14, she says she was sexually assaulted on a train in Sydney by a boy she knew as she left a station just like this. The police didn't lay any charges.
When I went to the justice system, I was met with a system that really felt stacked against me. When I was questioned by police, I was asked what I was wearing.
A new survey from the Australian Bureau of Statistics estimates there are 2.2 million women like Dani Villafana across the country who have experienced sexual violence in their lifetime. The Bureau found sexual violence rates were more prevalent among young women between the ages of 18 and 24, single mothers and renters. The data also reveals the very different ways men and women experience violence. While most men didn't know their perpetrators and their assaults happened in public places, women faced violence at the hands of a partner, most likely in their own home.
It's really a national shame of ours that these statistics are like this, but unfortunately to a lot of survivors, to a lot of people who are working in this space, these statistics aren't surprising.
But while there's now plenty of data, one question continues to elude researchers.
We don't have the why. That's the next piece of the puzzle, and that's why we put this information out there, is for researchers and policymakers to take that on and try and interpret what this data means.
A former Australian of the Year, Grace Tame, believes part of that answer lies in child sexual abuse trauma, which leaves kids open to being re-victimised later in life.
What happens to us in childhood sets the stage for the rest of our lives. We need to properly invest in prevention education.
Lessons for the future. Danny Tran, ABC News, Melbourne.